Hi there, in this short video I will show you how you can make your co-hosts as a host within the Veertly platform. So first of all, make sure they are joining the event with an account. So either they create an account or they log in with their existing account or they sign up with Google. So it's important that they're not joining as guests, because otherwise if they're coming back or want to access the cockpit, they won't be able to. So make sure they log in with an account, and once they're in the event you can click on attendees and you can see all the different attendees that are in your event at the moment, and you can simply click on the profiles. Like I'm now making myself as an organizer, I have the capability to do that, but I can make myself a host by simply clicking on the profile, and then you see this little settings or editing arrow sign here, and you can simply set yourself as a host, as a speaker, or move yourself to another direction. But in this way we're just setting ourselves as host, and with this host rights you will get all the access to the different areas, and you can also assign yourself as a speaker, so you can have two different roles if you want, and so you can now here see that you have both rights. But with the host right you have all the rights that a speaker has as well, so no need to also assign the speaker rights. Cool, it's as simple as that. You can of course revoke the access at any time by simply going on it again, say remove from host, and then the host rights will be removed again. Great, make sure that your people or your colleagues also know that if they want to log into the cockpit, they need to use the same credentials, same login as they do for their events where they are the host, that it can match each other. Alright, hope you enjoy this. Bye bye.